We are going to start by using a 9x13 pan and put a disposable grate on top. Then after washing the chicken, just place it on the grate. Go ahead and put it in the oven. We're going to bake it on 350 for 40 minutes and then take it out and go ahead and flip it. Then back in the oven we go for 20 minutes. Grab your favorite barbecue sauce. Ours is Private Selections Kentucky Bourbon Barbecue Sauce. Go ahead and start basting that. We're going to baste all of it really good. And we're not necessarily brushing this on, we are patting it on as well. Now we are going to put this back in the oven for 10 minutes in order to bake that barbecue sauce on. Take it out and flip it. Now we are going to baste the other side and place that back into the oven again for 10 minutes. This is great when it's too cold to grill. And that's how easy it is to do barbecue chicken right in your own oven. From our kitchen to yours. Enjoy, we sure did.